welcome back to my channel. I am Ojal Sharma and you're watching Art Explores. So I'm back with a very interesting topic today. In this video, I'll be telling you about how you can use an old DIY canvas and one single tool, which is hot glue gun. And out of which I'll be making an artwork which will suit almost every interior. What are we waiting for? Let's get started.
Now this is my old canvas which I kept aside a while ago. To start off with, I will apply some black acrylic paint. I'm using Camel Artist acrylic colors. To achieve the right opacity of the color, I will not be adding any water to it. Alright, so my canvas is almost done now. I'll keep it aside and let it dry. We'll draw a circle. So I'll start making zigzag line using this hot glue gun, which is also our main element. I'm making this pattern on a cellophane sheet because it will make it easier to chip off the glue when it's all dry. So here I am making one more layer of the pattern directly on the canvas, and when your glue is dried completely, you have to peel it off. Once you've got all the dried stack, you have to start arranging it into a pattern. You can decide your own pattern, or if you like my pattern, then you can do it in this way as well. Once you get the idea and you're satisfied completely with the pattern that you want to make on the canvas, you can fix it permanently using hot glue. And to give it a dimension, you can always add multiple layers. One can also paint these dry glue using spray paints. Whereas I wanted my artwork to be in black and silver tone, that's why I haven't painted and I've used it raw. One can also use tiny mirrors of different sizes or Swarovski beads to bring out some shine. So my piece is finally done, and here is the final look.
Was all about today's video, guys. I hope you all like it. If you do, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. You can also share your artworks with me on my Instagram and Facebook handle. Alright, so I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye and peace.